Spaghetti carbonara dish that needs no introduction for pasta enthusiasts worldwide. With its creamy texture, salty notes, and the comforting warmth it brings, carbonara stands as a testament to Italian culinary prowess. But what exactly is spaghetti carbonara? How did it come to be, and how can you recreate this delectable dish in your own kitchen? Join me on a journey as we explore the origins, ingredients, and step-by-step process of cooking the perfect spaghetti carbonara. Origins of spaghetti carbonara. To understand spaghetti carbonara, one must delve into its rich history. Despite its popularity, the exact origins of carbonara are shrouded in mystery and debate. One prevailing theory suggests that the dish originated in Rome during the mid-20th century, emerging as a humble yet flavorful creation born out of necessity. During World War II, American soldiers stationed in Italy brought with them rations of eggs, bacon, or pancetta, and powdered cheese, which they shared with the locals. Resourceful Italian cooks combined these ingredients with pasta to create what we now know as carbonara. However, others argue that the dish has older roots, tracing back to the coal workers, Carboni, of the Apennine Mountains, who allegedly prepared a similar dish with eggs, cheese, and guanciale, cured pork jowl. Regardless of its precise origins, spaghetti carbonara has since become a staple in Italian cuisine, beloved for its simplicity and bold flavors. Ingredients of spaghetti carbonara. Central to the allure of spaghetti carbonara are its key ingredients, each contributing to its distinctive taste and texture. Pasta. Traditional carbonara calls for long pasta, such as spaghetti or bucatini, though variations with other shapes like rigatoni are not uncommon. Eggs. Fresh, high-quality eggs serve as the base of carbonara's creamy sauce, providing richness and binding the dish together. Guanciale or pancetta. These cured pork products lend carbonara its signature savory flavor. Guanciale, made from pork jowl, is preferred for its tender texture and robust taste, but pancetta, Italian bacon, serves as an excellent alternative. Pecorino Romano or Parmigiano Reggiano. Sharp and salty cheeses like Pecorino Romano or Parmigiano Reggiano add depth to the dish. Authentic carbonara often uses Pecorino Romano for its tangy bite, but Parmigiano Reggiano can be used interchangeably or in combination. Black pepper. Coarsely ground black pepper provides a subtle but essential kick, enhancing the overall flavor profile of the dish. Cooking spaghetti carbonara step-by-step guide. Now that we've explored the origins and ingredients of spaghetti carbonara, let's dive into the cooking process. Follow these steps to create a mouth-watering carbonara that will delight your taste buds. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Gather your ingredients, spaghetti, or pasta of your choice, eggs, guanciale or pancetta, Pecorino Romano or Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, and black pepper. Step 2. Cook the pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the pasta and cook according to the package instructions until al dente. Reserve about a cup of pasta water before draining. Step 3. Cook the guanciale or pancetta. While the pasta is cooking, heat a large skillet over medium heat. Add the guanciale or pancetta and cook until golden and crispy, rendering out the fat. Remove from the heat and set aside. Step 4. Prepare the sauce. In a bowl, whisk together the eggs, grated cheese, Pecorino Romano or Parmigiano Reggiano, and a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper. Step 5. Combine the ingredients. Once the pasta is cooked and drained, add it to the skillet with the cooked guanciale or pancetta. Toss to combine, allowing the pasta to absorb the flavorful fat. Step 6. Add the sauce. Remove the skillet from the heat and quickly pour the egg and cheese mixture over the hot pasta. Using tongs, toss the pasta vigorously to coat it evenly in the sauce. The residual heat from the pasta will cook the eggs, creating a creamy sauce. Step 7. Adjust the consistency. If the sauce seems too thick, gradually add some of the reserved pasta water to loosen it until you reach your desired consistency. Be careful not to add too much water, as you don't want to dilute the flavors. Step 8. Serve and enjoy. Divide the spaghetti carbonara among serving plates or bowls, garnish with additional cheese and black pepper if desired, and serve immediately. Pair it with a crisp white wine or a refreshing salad for a complete meal. Summing up. Spaghetti carbonara is a quintessential Italian dish that has captivated the hearts and palates of food enthusiasts around the globe. With its rich history, simple yet flavorful ingredients, and straightforward cooking method, carbonara exemplifies the beauty of Italian cuisine. By following the step-by-step guide outlined above, you can recreate the magic of spaghetti carbonara in your own kitchen, delighting friends and family with a taste of Italy's culinary heritage. So don your apron, sharpen your cooking skills, and embark on a gastronomic journey to savor the irresistible allure of spaghetti carbonara. Buon appetito! More recipes, tips and Italian shopping guide at pizzapartisofamerica.com/recipes.